Hi, my name is Dagny, and I'm gonna show you how to make a coffee filter wreath. First, what we need is a foam board of a heart to cut out. We need a ribbon. No, but not least, we have wreath filters.
Now we want a couple drops of either food coloring, or we are using a red gel food coloring, and 1 cup of warm water. Now that you've got the gel in, you're ready for the warm water. Pour it in carefully, and there's your dye. Put your coffee filter upside down and watch the dye work. Now we did this process about 5 or 6 times in order to dye about 3 packages of coffee filters. And then we just let it sit and dry for about 2 days, and now we are ready to use them to make our coffee filter heart. So I've already cut out my foam heart that I'm going to use as the base for the coffee wreath, and then I went ahead and put on just some fishing wire, and I always put a piece of tape on it because it can be hard to find it afterwards. I like to use a Crayola marker just because there's more surface area on the tip of it. I basically take my coffee wreath, put the coffee filter down, and then the marker in the middle, fluff it up, and that's where I'm going to apply my glue. And I'm going to start from the outside circumference and work my way in. So there is the first one that I just did. Alright, here's a time lapse for you so you can see. You just want to basically separate your filters, put your marker in the middle, glue all the way around, and you want them to be right next to each other all the way around the circumference of the heart, and then you're going to work your way from the outside in. Take a look at the coffee filter wreath. We've basically been gluing all the way in, and we've done about 4 rounds, you know, like the heart, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we're just going to keep filling it until we're all down to the middle, and then you can see the heart filter. There's the back of it. Go all the way up because it started to feel kind of full, and I wanted there to still be a little bit of a circle in that middle, so I just went ahead and stopped. But and I also changed out my clear fishing wire for a pretty little